Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Price has really hardly moved today. We are grinding slowly into Saturday. And it might be that we are due a wave for Saturday again. We here in the community have observed now for a while that typically you see those wave 4s on a weekend. It is quite funny. A wave 4 is typically designed to bore the trader or investor out. It's just sideways movement. Obviously, it appears on different time frames. So on smaller time frames, it doesn't take that long. And I think we are looking at a lower time frame. I'm going to talk about where I see a possible wave 4 incoming in this video. But besides that, basically unchanged scenarios here. We talked about the idea that we rallied off the 10th of March low out of our support area in a so-called wave 1, in a first wave of an impulse. This wave 1 would be part of a larger degree wave 3, taking us way into the $2,000 region, maybe even higher. Then we could say that we possibly completed a wave 2. And we are now in a third wave. And within this third wave, we are currently working on a wave 1 and 2. So another 1-2 setup within wave 3, because a wave 3 consists of 5 waves and would be typically the most bullish wave in an impulse to the upside. This is sort of the scenario I go with at the moment. This is valid as long as we're holding 1662. Below 1662, I have to assume that this wave 1 actually sits up here and we get a much larger correction down into the yellow box. But then also here we should hold 1472, and as long as we're holding 1472, generally a bullish outcome would be preferred on and expected here. But yeah, below that level we have to change our view. So in the very short term, then we could say, okay, here let's say we focus on the 1-2-1-2 count for now, because this one is active, it's valid, it's not invalidated or anything. Could say that we peaked here in this wave 1 on the 19th of March at around 1846. We then came down in a yellow wave A, rallied yesterday in a B wave. It became quite apparent that it was a B wave when we dropped below the 50% retracement. Talked about that in one of the last videos. So it was a good warning that we will most likely come down lower, which we also did. And yeah, it could very well be that we are going to break the Wednesday low here, which was marked at 1715, because a C wave would in most cases, not always, but in most cases it would drop below the low of the A wave. And in terms of a wave 4, I thought about, this could have been a wave 1, here maybe a wave 2, this could be a 3. We could now be working maybe on a wave 4 triangle, and then one more wave down would be ideal to complete this and then possibly rally. Now that's only an idea at the moment. These can always extend to the downside further, but that is an idea how it could play out. Ideally, again, the C wave goes below the A wave. And yeah, to be honest, I need a meaningful break above the B wave high, which is here at 1859, to indicate and confirm that the wave 2 is in. Until then, downside pressure remains very high. And target wise for this third wave, where would we land? Let's just calculate that. So we measure the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2. Target wise for the third wave, we're looking at around $2,270. And that's really it. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.